सबसे पहले मैं आवाज दूंगा ये प्यारी सी बच्ची जबीन जुनैद।
Today I am here to speak about Independence Day. India was freedom on the 13th August 1947. We love your country. Neon national flag is the Tiranga. Let us respect your freedom fighter. Jai Hind. Thank you.
The second speech Farhad Khan Juliet Khan.
Assalamualaikum. Good morning. My name is Farhad Khan. Today is 15th August. We love your country. Non-national flag is the Tiranga. Freedom fighter लगे उस freedom gate college attend Independence Day. जय हिंद. Thank you.
उड़ान ऊंची है इंशाअल्लाह आगे बढ़ेंगे हम।